The stuff I'm going to share today, there might be legal actions against me. So, for the record, I don't know what I'm talking about and I'm a completely stupid person. Please don't hurt me. Hi everyone, welcome back to Re-Nourish with Manisha. I am your own clinical dietitian and sports nutritionist Manisha Mehta. And today, I'm going to talk about weight loss supplements. And why in the female series? Because as I have discussed so many times, the panic and the mania of weight which is there in females is not usually there in males. And that is the reason why females are soft target for these supplements. So without wasting any more time, let me just dig into it and get my hands dirty. Weight loss is a huge industry and it generates multi-billion dollars every year. And why does it generate so much money? Because there is so much fluff covering up the science which is very easy to understand and follow, but very hard for the people who want to just keep sticking to that mania of weight loss. So, if you think that I'm trying to say that the more you go crazy about that number on the scale, the more you not achieve it, you're absolutely right. This is exactly what I'm trying to say. Stop going crazy about the number on the scale. Coming back to the topic of this video, the weight loss product industry knows that you are not going to go after the science and you will keep stuck on the scale, on the number. That is the reason why there are so many products who claim to help you in the weight loss, which I think we do not need to talk about the efficacy of, because every single month I get so many messages from people who want to achieve that health and have been consuming these products in the pursuit of achieving that weight loss, but it doesn't work. However, funny thing to note here is that despite the fact that they want to achieve health, they still are stuck on that number on the scale, and it requires more of a psychological remake-up than the diet plans which actually helps them. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 products which are marketed very widely and they claim weight loss. Because, let's be honest, if I start covering all the products which are available for the weight loss, this video will be like an eternity long. And I don't know if YouTube will allow me to upload an eternity long video. So, the first product is Garcinia cambogia. Garcinia cambogia is actually a fruit, and the peel of this fruit has a lot of hydroxycitric acid, which is claimed to be the active ingredient of this fruit and is marketed as a diet pill or a weight loss pill. In a few animal studies, Garcinia cambogia was shown to increase the level of serotonin, so it increases the sense of well-being and reduces the cravings, and also it was shown that it was inhibiting the fat-producing enzymes. However, in the human study, it was shown that there was no effect on the weight loss of the 130 people who participated in the study. So if not Garcinia cambogia, then what can actually help you lose weight? Wait till the end of this video, I'm going to tell you just that. The second supplement that I wanted to talk about today is CLA, or conjugated linoleic acid. CLA is actually one of the fatty acids which is considered healthy and is claimed to boost metabolism and increase the fat burning by reducing the appetite. And honestly speaking, it works. It helps you lose around 100 grams every week for up to 6 weeks, and after that it will stop working. And of course, that massive result comes at a cost. It can actually hamper your digestion a little bit, but that's okay, right? And also, in the long term, CLA can actually be causing some inflammation, fatty liver and insulin resistance also. But I think that cost is justified for the massive weight loss that it provides, right? And the next one is actually the one for which I gave the disclaimer in the beginning. Yes, I am out of my mind and I am stupid. So please spare me from your legal actions. I am going to talk about Herbalife nutrition. For almost a decade that I have been practicing, I have stopped counting how many times I have come across nutritionists who are Herbalife certified, and they come to me so that I can join their force and make more money and make people slimmer and make people achieve their weight loss targets in that energy. So, for the sake of knowledge, I actually researched a little bit about the products, and this is what I found. While searching for the active ingredients, I actually landed up on their website, and I was a little shocked to see that I could not find the nutritional label of the product. So I switched to Amazon, and in Amazon also, there were so many products for which the nutritional label was not available. For some products it was, but that was also hardly readable. But I'll tell you what I read there. The nutritional shake, which is meant for weight control and weight management, which is also supposed to be taken in the breakfast as per the diet plan which is available on the website, has 90 calories per serving, which is of 25 grams. Per serving of this shake is going to have 9 grams of protein and 13 grams of carbohydrates. Now the funny part that I found here is that out of this 25 grams, 9 grams is sugar and 3 grams is fiber. Now if I go to the international standards of the nutritional planning, an adult female needs somewhere around 1900 calories every day for just the normal functioning of the body. And if we divide that 1900 calories in even 5 meals, each meal would be somewhere around 380 calories. Now if I reduce the snacks and increase the meals, then the meal would be somewhere around 450 calories. And that's what actually is required to actually feel satisfied also. So as for me, this breakfast shake has 2 less calories and it will actually lead to more cravings in the later part of the day. It doesn't end here actually. The dinner also consists of the same shake. Now my point is, if you are having that less amount of calories, you anyway will lose weight. However, that weight loss is never going to be fat loss. You will be actually losing a lot of lean muscle in the process, and that will actually hamper your metabolism also. And after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, depending on your willpower, whenever you feel that I'm done with it, the moment you leave it, your body will try to gain back that muscle as I discussed in this video, and then you will gain all the weight back. This is just the nutritional angle. However, from the business angle, some people say that multi-level marketing is not legal in many countries. Let's not even go there. So, if these products do not work, then what does? Girl, I've been talking about that for so many months now. It's you who can actually create a change in your health. It's you who has to actually fall into the sync of nature and utilize your food for your energy and workout for your enthusiasm, and hence create that change in your health which you want to see. Why do these products exist? Because you let them exist. Till the time you are going paranoid about that number on the scale, these products will keep flourishing. And legally, they're not doing anything wrong, because on every packet you'll find the notification that this product is to be taken along with a healthy and clean diet. So it's your healthy food which is working and not the product? Well, yeah, true. But the moment you understand that, that is the moment of your real empowerment. If you feel that this video was even a little bit eye-opening for you and it can be for someone else too, then please share it with them so that a lot of money can be saved, a lot of time can be saved, and a lot of effort can be saved. And because I am a big foodie, it hurts me physically when people who can actually afford food stay hungry in the pursuit of losing weight, which is actually the totally opposite that you should be doing. For today, I will leave you with that thought. And if you want me to cover something specific on this channel, let me know in the comments below. And next week, I am going to talk about something very specific to only females. I am going to talk about the menstrual cycle, and throughout the cycle, how you can actually manage not only your hormones, but also consecutively your workout, your food, your mood, and everything that you do. And that's why, if you haven't already, click the bell icon and the subscribe button so that you know when I upload the next time, which is going to be Sunday 10 AM IST. And on that note, 𝗠𝘂𝗵 𝗟𝐻𝑎 signing off. I'll see you next week. Until then, be a fit foodie and always remember, I love you unconditionally. Bye.